This is now the quickest, cleanest and easiest way to drain a radiator. What you will need is one of these, the Rapid RaDrain, and one of these, a radiator. First of all, shut down the valve, turning the caps clockwise down to the off position, or if you've got a thermostatic valve, turn it down to 0 or frost. Once you've easily removed it from the plastic packaging, take the clamp, slide off the end, undo the nut and separate it into two. The nut comes off and goes off in either side for which end you're doing. With the bag, holes along the bottom, push the pin in the hole, open up the bag into two, push the holes into the pins on the bracket. Put that round the back of the pipe, locate the pipe into the indent, bring the bag around, encapsulating the whole radiator pipe, locate the pins on this side, the other part of the clamp, slide it on, loosely do your pin with the slide. It'll only go on this way round. Slide it down. With that loose, slide the clamp up, tighten up, spread the bag out so any drips that run down the pipe will also go into the bag. One spanner, undo the nut, and then pull it away, and all the water, even if it's hot, pressurised, will all drip down into the bag. No water coming down the pipe or anywhere else onto the floor. Now you can just leave that. If you want, with the bleed key, undo the bleed valve and the water will come out faster, and you can just leave that now until it's completely drained out. Once it's drained out and you've got the nut up off at both ends, use the drip catcher. It may look like a balloon, but it is in fact a drip catcher. Open up the end and just slide it onto the end of the pipe. So once it's empty, if there is any residual water in there, it will just fall into the drip catchers. If you've got microbore pipes, there are two different sized adapters. One's 8mm, one's 10mm. For this is 10mm, what you'll do, put it around the pipe, that then turns the pipe into a 15mm pipe. So all you do is exactly the same as you do on the bigger pipe onto here. If the pipe is painted or it's got pits or dirt on it, it might be worth just putting some silicone grease around the top, so when the bag goes on, no water definitely goes down the side. Once that's finished draining out, slide off, undo the bag. It's got a handle on one end. Just pick the bag up, walk out. It'll easily take a 1200 double radiator of water. It's got 15 litres, easy.